How to edit photos on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on gallery app. After click on gallery app, click on pictures, and if you want to edit picture, select picture and click on this pen icon and click on this icon. You will see so you erase from here. If you want to add text, and you will see after editing, click on save. You will see picture is edit. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.